Hello my friends, I have another template for you. This one is abstract background for Davinci Resolve Fusion. This one is a little bit more complex than the previous ones, and files you can download on my blog. Links for my blog will be under the video in the video description. Now let me show you how to install it and use it. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library and folder where you extracted the file. Then just drag and drop abstract background number 6 like this. Connect to the media out. Press on the media out, press number 2 on the keyboard, and then wait it a little bit to render. This one, depending on your machine, this one can take quite a while to render. Yeah, there we go. Let me close this so I can show you what's going on here. I will ungroup. Alright, so let's go from the bottom again. This background is gradient. This one is the background, 4 corners. Down here are the 2 stars. What you see here, rotation and duplication you can control here. This is how you get the star shape with this duplicate. Rotation, blend and move you control on this merge here, same as the other one, same as the other star under. And then you will see big circles. You control here rotation, blend and move. As you can see, this very light circle. This is how you control here, and same as the other two. And now you have this big circle, the background. Controls the circle. Alright, here you could see the first 4 ellipses. These are the shapes. When I press number 2 on the keyboard, you will see the circle. And first one is the small one, another big one, and another solid, and another big one, big solid. And next ones are this one. Next one is this one, small inside, and this one is the smallest. Okay, so this circle is this one. As you can see, I cut the circle and make the only 90-degree shape. This one, as you can see, only this small part of the circle, and I make the duplicate. So it's had a duplicate this one and this one, small and big one. Then next one are these small lines I made with duplicate. So I made a bunch of them. You can see, you can increase, you can decrease it a little bit to render, as you can see. So next one is the same style. these lines. And this is basically it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if you have any questions, and I will see you in another video.